Technology is transforming nearly every part of our homes, and the kitchen is no exception. Every year, CES showcases innovative gadgets designed to make cooking easier, faster, healthier, and more enjoyable. The latest generation of smart kitchen devices is packed with artificial intelligence, automation, and advanced sensors that help eliminate guesswork from meal preparation. These are products that combine practical features with futuristic technology, making them devices you'll genuinely want to own rather than just admire. From intelligent coffee makers to fully automated cooking systems, each gadget on this list offers something unique that could change the way you prepare meals at home. Number 7. Smart Precision Coffee Maker. Starting our list at number 7 is the Smart Precision Coffee Maker, a device that takes the daily coffee experience to a completely new level. While coffee makers have existed for decades, this new generation model incorporates artificial intelligence, advanced temperature control, and personalized brewing profiles that adapt to individual preferences. Instead of simply brewing coffee using standard settings, the machine analyzes your previous selections and gradually learns how strong, smooth, or rich you prefer your morning cup. Over time, it automatically adjusts brewing parameters to create a consistently satisfying result. One of the most impressive features is its connectivity. Through a dedicated smartphone application, users can schedule brewing times, monitor bean levels, adjust water temperature, and even receive maintenance reminders. The precision temperature system is another standout feature. Coffee experts often emphasize that water temperature significantly affects flavor extraction. This coffee maker uses advanced sensors to maintain exact brewing temperatures throughout the process, ensuring optimal extraction from every bean. The result is a richer, more balanced flavor profile that rivals drinks from premium coffee shops. Another practical innovation is the integrated bean recognition system. The machine can identify different types of coffee beans and automatically adjust brewing parameters accordingly. Whether you're using a dark roast, medium roast, or specialty blend, the device selects the ideal settings to maximize flavor. This eliminates much of the trial and error associated with brewing high-quality coffee at home. Cleaning and maintenance have also been simplified. Automated rinsing cycles and self-cleaning features reduce the effort required to keep the machine operating at peak performance. Notifications alert users when deeper cleaning or filter replacement is needed, extending the lifespan of the appliance. Number 6. AI-Powered Smart Blender. Coming in at number 6 is the AI-Powered Smart Blender, a gadget designed to eliminate guesswork from food preparation while helping users create healthier meals and beverages. Traditional blenders are powerful tools, but they often rely entirely on the user's judgment when it comes to selecting speeds, timing, and ingredient combinations. This new generation blender changes that by incorporating artificial intelligence capable of recognizing ingredients and automatically choosing the ideal blending settings. The blender uses built-in cameras and advanced sensors to scan ingredients placed inside the jar. Once the ingredients are identified, the AI system recommends recipes, nutritional information, and blending programs optimized for those specific foods. Whether you're preparing a protein smoothie, a creamy soup, homemade nut butter, or a frozen dessert, the blender adjusts speed and duration automatically to achieve the best texture possible. One feature that makes this device particularly appealing is its nutrition tracking capability. Through its companion app, users can monitor calorie intake, protein levels, carbohydrates, vitamins, and other nutritional metrics. Health-conscious individuals can create personalized dietary goals and receive recipe recommendations that align with those objectives. Instead of spending time calculating nutritional values manually, the blender handles much of the work automatically. Safety and convenience are also major priorities. The blender can detect overloaded containers and prevent operation until ingredients are adjusted. It can even identify when liquids exceed recommended levels and warn users before blending begins. This reduces spills and improves overall user experience. Another standout innovation is its guided recipe system. Users can select recipes through the app, and the blender provides step-by-step instructions while automatically adjusting settings throughout the process. This transforms complex recipes into manageable tasks, even for beginner cooks. Number 5. Self-Cleaning Countertop Air Fryer. At number 5, we have a kitchen appliance that addresses one of the most common complaints associated with modern cooking devices: cleaning. The self-cleaning countertop air fryer combines the healthy cooking benefits of air frying with automated maintenance features that significantly reduce cleanup time. Air fryers have become extremely popular because they allow users to enjoy crispy foods with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. However, many owners quickly discover that cleaning baskets, trays, and interior surfaces can become tedious. This next-generation model solves that problem through an integrated self-cleaning system that removes grease and residue with minimal effort. After cooking, users can activate a cleaning cycle that utilizes steam, heated water, and specialized cleaning patterns to loosen food particles from internal surfaces. The appliance then collects waste materials into a removable tray that can be emptied quickly. This process dramatically reduces scrubbing and helps maintain long-term performance. Beyond cleaning, the air fryer offers advanced cooking intelligence. Built-in sensors monitor temperature, humidity, and food progress in real time. Instead of relying on preset timers alone, the appliance continuously adjusts cooking conditions to achieve optimal results. Foods remain crispy on the outside while staying moist and tender on the inside. The device also features an extensive library of smart cooking programs. Whether preparing vegetables, chicken, seafood, frozen snacks, or baked goods, users can select customized modes designed specifically for each category. The air fryer automatically determines cooking duration and temperature requirements. Connectivity enhances the experience further. Through a smartphone application, users can monitor cooking progress remotely, receive notifications when meals are ready, and access hundreds of guided recipes. Some models even include AI-generated meal suggestions based on ingredients available in the household. Number 4. Smart Food Waste Recycler. Food waste is a growing global problem, and the Smart Food Waste Recycler at number 4 offers an innovative solution that turns kitchen scraps into something useful. Instead of throwing away fruit peels, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and leftover food, users can transform organic waste into nutrient-rich material suitable for gardening and landscaping. This compact appliance sits conveniently on a kitchen counter and processes food waste through a combination of drying, grinding, and decomposition technologies. Within a matter of hours, materials that would normally end up in landfills are converted into reusable compost-like material. One of the most impressive aspects of the device is its intelligent sorting system. Advanced sensors analyze incoming waste and determine optimal processing conditions. This ensures efficient operation while minimizing odors and maximizing nutrient preservation. The appliance also tracks household waste generation. Through a connected app, users can view detailed reports showing how much food waste has been diverted from landfills. This information encourages more sustainable habits while helping families understand consumption patterns. Odor control is another major benefit. Traditional composting methods often generate unpleasant smells that discourage participation. The Smart Food Waste Recycler incorporates filtration systems designed to eliminate odors before they become noticeable, making it practical for apartment dwellers and homeowners alike. Environmental impact is where this gadget truly shines. Reducing food waste helps decrease greenhouse gas emissions associated with landfill decomposition. At the same time, the resulting compost material supports healthier plants and gardens without requiring chemical fertilizers. Number 3. AI Smart Refrigerator Assistant. Taking the number 3 position is the AI Smart Refrigerator Assistant, a revolutionary appliance that transforms an ordinary refrigerator into an intelligent household management system. Modern refrigerators already offer advanced cooling technology, but this device goes far beyond food storage by helping users manage groceries, meal planning, and household organization. Internal cameras automatically scan and track items placed inside the refrigerator. The system identifies products, estimates quantities, and monitors expiration dates. Users can instantly view refrigerator contents through a smartphone app while shopping, eliminating the possibility of buying duplicate items unnecessarily. One of its most useful features is intelligent meal planning. Based on available ingredients, dietary preferences, and nutritional goals, the AI suggests recipes that can be prepared using foods already in the refrigerator. This reduces food waste while simplifying meal preparation decisions. The appliance also creates automated shopping lists. When supplies run low, items are added automatically to a digital list that can be accessed from anywhere. Some systems even integrate directly with grocery delivery services for seamless replenishment. Food safety benefits are equally significant. The refrigerator continuously monitors internal conditions and alerts users if temperatures fall outside recommended ranges. Expiration tracking helps prevent consumption of spoiled products while encouraging timely use of perishable items. Voice interaction further enhances convenience. Users can ask questions about available ingredients, request recipe recommendations, or check inventory without opening the refrigerator door. This creates a highly interactive and efficient kitchen experience. Number 2. Fully Automated Cooking Robot. At number 2, we encounter one of the most exciting advancements in kitchen automation, the fully automated cooking robot. This remarkable device brings professional-level cooking capabilities into the home by handling many of the tasks traditionally performed by human chefs. The system combines heating elements, mixing mechanisms, precision scales, temperature sensors, and robotic controls within a single countertop appliance. Users simply add ingredients according to guided instructions, select a recipe, and allow the machine to perform the cooking process automatically. The robot can chop, stir, sauté, steam, simmer, and cook with extraordinary precision. Sensors continuously monitor cooking conditions and make real-time adjustments to maintain ideal temperatures and textures. This level of consistency can be difficult even for experienced cooks to achieve manually. Its recipe library contains hundreds of dishes ranging from simple meals to complex culinary creations. New recipes can be downloaded regularly through cloud connectivity, ensuring that the appliance continues to evolve over time. One of the greatest benefits is time savings. Busy individuals can begin meal preparation and focus on other responsibilities while the robot handles cooking independently. Notifications are sent when meals are ready, reducing the need for constant supervision. The appliance also supports customization. Users can adjust portion sizes, dietary preferences, spice levels, and ingredient substitutions while allowing the robot to recalculate cooking requirements automatically. Number 1. Smart Multifunction Kitchen Hub. Claiming the number 1 spot on our list is the Smart Multifunction Kitchen Hub, an all-in-one system that represents the future of connected cooking. Rather than focusing on a single task, this device combines multiple kitchen tools and technologies into one intelligent workstation. At its core is a large interactive display that serves as a command center for meal preparation. The system integrates a precision scale, induction cooktop, AI cooking assistant, recipe platform, and smart home controls into a unified experience. The AI assistant guides users through recipes step by step while adjusting cooking settings automatically. Ingredients can be weighed directly on the integrated scale, ensuring accuracy without requiring separate tools. The induction cooktop provides precise heat control, helping users achieve professional quality results. One of the most powerful features is adaptive learning. The system observes cooking habits and gradually personalizes recommendations based on preferences and skill levels. Beginners receive detailed guidance, while experienced cooks gain access to advanced techniques and customization options. Connectivity expands functionality even further. Users can access thousands of recipes, watch instructional videos, synchronize shopping lists, and connect with other smart appliances throughout the home. The hub effectively becomes the central brain of the modern kitchen. The device also supports remote monitoring and voice control, making cooking more convenient and interactive than ever before. Future software updates continue expanding capabilities long after purchase, ensuring long-term value. What truly sets the Smart Multifunction Kitchen Hub apart is its ability to bring together multiple technologies in a seamless and practical way. Instead of filling countertops with numerous specialized gadgets, users gain a single intelligent platform capable of handling a wide range of kitchen tasks.